A warm good morning to one and all. Dear students, welcome to Vidyanagar online classes. Today we can discuss the 10th classes, the chapter named by Resource and Development. We have discussed some module in the previous classes. So we can take today the continuations of that chapter. First, we discussed already in this lesson the classification of the soil. The second classification of the soil, that is black soil. In India, black soils, we can see that it is very conducive for the cotton cultivation. And the name by the black soil, that have one more name. That name that is called rigor soil. Rigor means by cotton. Once again, black soil is the second most important soil now in India, and it have one more name that is called rigor soil. And rigor, the word mean by cotton. So automatically the rigor soil or the black soil is very conducive for the cotton cultivation. It is best soil for cotton. And India, cotton cultivation that is expanded mainly in the Deccan Tract region or Deccan region. And Deccan region, cotton soil is plenty in number. And moreover, this black cotton soil have high water retaining capacity. Black cotton soil have high water retaining capacity. That is why it is very conducive for the cotton cultivation. And another one is called, it is rich in iron, lime, calcium, potassium and aluminum and magnesium. So our black cotton soil or the black soil is rich in iron, lime, calcium, then potassium and aluminum and magnesium. These are the content having by our black soil. So once again I will repeating this part. First point we discussed that black soil have one more name, that is called rigor soil. The word rigor mean by cotton. And black soil, why? Because it is not, because the color was black. And next second point, the Deccan Tract region, our black soil expanding more in our India, and it have high water retaining capacity, and it having by rich in iron, lime, calcium, then potassium and aluminum and magnesium. This chemical content having by this black soil. That is why it is very suitable and conducive for the cotton cultivation also. So that's about the first part of the black soil. So second area, in this black soil deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus or unorganic matter. That is why we can add some chemical fertilizers and manures also. Our black soil deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus and organic matter. But lacking the content of nitrogen, then phosphorus, organic matter. So we should practice this soil for different cultivation crops. We can add nitrogen, we can add phosphorus and we can add the organic matter also. Then always it was conducive for the different crops cultivation. Otherwise it is very suitable for the cotton cultivation only. And second one, it is found mainly in Deccan Tract region. So regions of the Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. This area, our black cotton soil is very available and is expanding in large area. So the areas expanded by our black soil now India, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And this cotton soil have a self-plowing capacity. That is when it dried. When the cotton soil have dried, it is have a self-plowing capacity. That is why plowing is very easiest one also in this soil. So that's about our black soil or the black cotton soil. Once again I will put in this area, this black soil deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus and organic matter. That is why if we need to cultivate more crops in this soil, we should add nitrogen, phosphorus, organic matter also, and found mainly in Deccan Tract region. For example, Maharashtra region, Gujarat region, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh region. This soil is plenty and it have a self-plowing capacity when it dried. So it is very easy to plowing and starting the. Okay. We can take the next classification of the soil. that is laterite soil. Laterite soil, that name derived from a Latin word later. Later mean by brick. Laterite soil, the laterite word is derived from the Latin word called later, that mean by the brick. That's the first point. Second, in this laterite soil, when the soil in the wet region, it is very soft. When the soil having in the dried region, this soil have a hard feature. Once again, when the soils extended in the wet region, this soil have very soft, and when this soil is dried region, it having the hard capacity. The second feature of the our laterite soil. It is found in very high temperature region and very high rainfall region. Our laterite soil we can see in our India mainly in high temperature region plus high rainfall region, and it have humus content is very low. Humus content is very low in this laterite soil, but rich in iron and aluminum. Once again, our laterite soil is found in high temperature region and high rainfall region, and humus content is very low, but it having rich in iron and aluminum. That is very rich in this soil, but deficient in nitrogen, potash and lime and humus content also. So once again, this soil deficient in nitrogen, then potash, then lime and humus. So when we need to expand the cultivation to this soil, we should add the nitrogen, potash and lime and humus content also. And this soil have red color because it is having the iron oxide. Because of the presence of the iron oxide, this soil having the red color, red in color. And this soil is very conducive for the cultivation of the different crops. That crops are the rice, ragi, sugarcane, cashew nut, then tea and coffee. Plantation crops called tea and coffee plantation. This soil is very conducive. So once again, our laterite soil that is expanded to the different parts of India, and this soil is very conducive for the cultivation of the rice, then ragi, then sugarcane, cashew, then especially the plantation crops called tea and coffee. For the plantations also, it is very conducive also. And this soil is expanded in our India, Kerala, then Karnataka, then Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha region. This soil is very famous, especially the farmers are cultivating different crops in this soil from the states called Kerala, Tamil Nadu, then Karnataka, then Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. This region, the peasants cultivating this soil large number. So that's about our laterite soil. So next soil, that is called arid soil. Arid soil found in arid and semi-arid region, or especially arid and semi-arid condition. This soil is expanded largely in our India. Arid and semi-arid condition is conducive for the formation and expansion of our arid soil. And it is deposited only through the wind activities. Wind activities caused for the deposition of the arid soil. Wind activities depositing this soil in large scale in different parts of India. And in this soil, special feature is high salt content. Because of high salt content, it is lack in moisture and humus content. That is why not that much famous for the cultivation of different crops, because of this salt content. High salt content having by the arid soil, that is why it is lack in moisture and humus. When we need to cultivate in this soil, we should add the moisture and humus content more, using different types of the hybrid fertilizers, pesticides and other chemical elements also. And this texture is the sandy texture. Sandy type or the sandy texture is this soil. And this color in red to brown, we can see the color of the arid soil. And this arid soil expanded only in the some part of the, especially the western parts of the Rajasthan. This soil is expanding large in scale. So once again, a small area and a small features of the arid soil. It is seen or found in arid and semi-arid conditions in our India, deposited by wind activities, then high salt content. Because of that special feature it lacking the moisture and humus content, and texture in the what sandy also, and color red to brown color we can see in this soil, and it is expanded mainly in our western Rajasthan region. So that's about the arid soil. Today we discuss mainly 3 types of the soil. First one black soil, second one laterite soil, and third one arid soil. I hope that you understand very well in this module. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me through tester message and WhatsApp also. Okay, thank you.